Guys, welcome to Droid Time. Hey, check it out. I just did a video recently about Amazon Prime Days. Some of my boxes have arrived, so let's check it out and see what's here and show you what we got. So you still got a few hours to capture some of these deals, but let's get into it. So first thing I want to show you is this heater. It's a reptile heater. I have several of these already, but I couldn't pass up the price. I think this was like $6 or $7. It's awesome. All the links are in my previous video, so you can go there to check it out. But this thing's just great. It's great for sitting on. It's great as a hand warmer, a foot warmer. When you're laying in bed, you can put this on your chest and cross your arms over the front just to kind of keep you warm underneath the blanket. Works awesome. This thing really is the best way I know to keep warm. 14 watts, you're going to use it at about half power at 7 watts. It's going to do awesome for you. 60 watts will keep you warm in your bed at night, all night long. Beautiful piece of equipment. I recommend picking one up. We got some paracord here. Paracord's awesome. 1,000 different uses. I'm going to show you some secrets about paracord that nobody knows. You're going to see that in an upcoming video. Also, we're going to make a bow, a simple primitive bow, and we're going to use paracord for the bowstring. So you're going to want to get some of that half price, man. This stuff was $5 for 100 feet. These knives are awesome. So this is like a little Mora clone. We talked about it in the last video. All the links are in that video. This thing's awesome. It's bright orange bushcrafting knife. You're not going to lose it, right? Very nice, very sharp, very thick spine. That's good. It's full tang, so it goes all the way down the knife. That's what you want for a bushcrafting knife. Nice thick spine, square spine, really sharp, and just a nice packaging. Bright orange so you don't use it, don't lose it, and also it locks in real nice. So two great knives. These were like $8, I think. Got two of them. This guy was really a surprise. I'd like this one a lot. You need to pick this up. This little emergency radio, nice bright book reading light and a flashlight. That's awesome, right? This thing's great. It's got 3 different bands. You got a nice little telescoping antenna here. 3 different bands of the radio. You've got the FM, you've got the AM, and you've got the NOAA. So the big, huge solar panel, right? That's like 2 or 3 times the size of a normal solar panel from one of these things. So this thing will keep charged up real well. And a nice battery. It's got a 5,000 milliamp battery. So that's 18 watts. That's a lot of power to carry around. That's as much as some of your smaller USB batteries. Like I say, all 3 bands, just beautiful. And then also, this really surprised me. This thing, you can play your own music in it if you stick a USB drive in it. But also, even better, it has Bluetooth. So it can Bluetooth right to your phone. It's a Bluetooth speaker. It's really nice, man. And this thing gets loud. It gets very loud. So I was super pleased with that. I mean, for 20 bucks, it's just got a ton of features. So love this thing. Definitely pick one up. I may even pick up another. I just really like it. I think it's a hell of a deal to have all those functions. Really good deal on this one. Yeah, it was $20. Links are on the other video. You can check it out, just my last video. But the Bluetooth thing, I didn't know. And the hand crank is nice and smooth. I like it a lot. A lot better than some of these things. It's actually real good quality build. So definitely think about picking one of these up. And it's got a little siren. We'll let you hear that and flashing light. Yeah, okay. Also, then we got this Forever light. So I did a video on these. These things are so awesome. They take 1/8 of a watt. One of my favorite things, man. This thing, you can power it all night long, 8 hours for 1 watt. Just amazing. You can I can't even tell you how you don't have to worry about emergency lighting once you pick these up. You'll always be able to power it. The 18 watts on this could power this for 18 nights straight, 8 hours a night, just off this little radio right here. And that's without even using the solar panel. Completely amazing. You'll never need to worry about emergency lighting again. Pick up these lights, especially with this radio, you're good to go. Yeah, so this one wasn't on my previous video, so I'll leave a link on this video. But this is like a flashlight multi-tool. This thing is awesome. I've really been impressed by this. I got a 2-pack. I think it was $10 for 2 of them, so it's $5 each. These things have a ton of features, man. I didn't realize all the features that they have. So first off, you got a little carabiner action up top, and you've got a cutting surface. You got one of those little inline cutters. But the main function here is the flashlight, right? And you've got a magnet on the back. It's a magnetic flashlight, but it does a lot. It's super bright, man. This thing is blindingly bright. So you got bright and dim on your regular setting, right? But then you got the yellow light. I love the yellow light. I hate that white hospital type light. I love the soft white. And you got a red light and a flashing red light. So just a lot of lights on this thing. I tell you, I use the red light a lot at keeping the bugs away at night when I'm out in the garden or whatever I'm doing. I've been using the red light a lot. Also got the little can opener feature up top there. And yeah, just a lot of features on this thing. Like I say, it's magnetic, right? But it pops open, right? Check this out. So now on the back, we've got a whistle up top, and we got 2 bits. We got a Phillips head bit and a regular standard screwdriver bit, right? Additionally, we've got a fire starter on this thing. It's absolutely amazing. You hold this button down for 5 seconds and the little cigarette lighter lights right up. That thing is awesome, man. You could start fires with this thing, no problem. A little piece of tinder in there, you're good to go. I just think this is just an awesome piece of equipment, especially for $5. I can't believe the features. $10 for 2, right, on the 2-pack. Amazing. Love this thing. I may even pick up another 2-pack of these. There's the little bit holder that's at the edge, and that's where the screwdriver goes in. This thing's awesome. So yeah, so we'll leave a link to that in the description. Check my other video for the descriptions of all the other stuff. You still got a few hours. I think Prime Days, I think, end at like 2 or 3 in the morning tonight. So definitely time to get these and get them to you. They arrive real quick. Lots of stuff happening in the channel. We're doing a lot of gardening. We've got some canning coming up. We got some wilderness survival stuff coming. Just a lot of stuff happening. I've been busy trying to make these videos. Check back real soon because I'll be making more videos this weekend. Also, we started a Facebook group. So definitely jump in that group. That's Troy Time 02, Plants, Preps, and Pups. So go check out that Facebook group, subscribe to my channel, and like this video, and we'll talk to you again soon. This is Troy Time. I'm out.